Hello everyone. So I'm going to talk to you about my first 40 days and continuing from yesterday. So in this period, emotionally, I was feeling very down. Yes, I had literally no strength to talk to others. The only strength that I had was to connect with my baby. The first 2 days felt really strange as I was seeing this child lying next to me, and it had not yet sunk in that I've actually given birth. The child that had been inside me for 10 months is now finally here. And it took some time, and I had to take some conscious steps to bond with my baby. The first being obviously feeding her, but then the next one was, trying to sing some songs. And in that moment, I started connecting with her, started feeling more like a mother. And it was still unbelievable that, how carefree I had been till the last day of my delivery. And suddenly now I have to care for this child. And that transition was definitely heavy. And then the restrictions that follow in terms of food. My mom was like, you've had a delivery, your body is weak, every nerve has been stressed, so you should stay off the mobile, you should take rest. And that felt very restrictive. But in hindsight, these are actually very much needed. For all those who already know, and for those who do not, basically, once the baby is delivered, the placenta leaves a huge hole inside the uterus wall, and that takes time to heal. And every mother who has undergone the labor needs to recover, irrespective of whether it is a C section or if it was a normal delivery. Recovery is important. And in this recovery, it is not just physical, it is emotional. And what matters for emotional recovery is the kind of support that the mother has in that initial period of her postpartum life. And everything is new, everything is overwhelming. There is a baby that has to be cared for, and on top of it, her own emotions to handle. And for me, I literally had no strength to argue with anybody. One side I was lacking sleep, the other side I had a nagging headache, and this headache is very common for most mothers postpartum. It is only a concern when the headache doesn't seem to abate at all. If your headache is beyond 3 days, then do contact your gynec and get it checked. And yes, with all this, it was a huge emotional you go through. You keep recalling how your delivery went, whether it went as per your plan or whether things changed, and everything starts making you guilty. And this is not for everyone, but some of us do, and I did feel, even though I had a normal delivery, I kind of had a feeling like, oh, I should have avoided this, I should have avoided that. And imagine how guilty I would have felt if I had a C section. But what takes to recover? Recovery may not happen in the first week, but eventually it does. What helps you recover is understanding what has happened with you and why it has happened and how it has been important to saving both you and your child's life. So, whatever intervention that has been done, let's not dig the past. Let's accept it and heal and move forward. Now, what happened during my delivery? I had gestational hypertension, and you know what? It took me 2 years postpartum to recover, heal, and come out of this hypertension. Now my BP is fairly normal. It's been 4 years, but then for the first 2 years, I had very high fluctuating levels of BP. Now I would like to talk more about Pathyam, the food diet restrictions that follow post delivery, and I would like to talk about it tomorrow. So, thank you.